A lot of people, when choosing which platform they want to build their online shop in, they get quite discouraged when they find out that there's limitations on Shopify. And sometimes that discourages them completely and they end up going for a completely different platform such as WordPress. And we really like these challenges when we can actually go in and create different solutions for clients while still keeping the Shopify platform, because we believe that Shopify is the best solution for most, 99% of e-commerce stores. So today I'm going to share with you a project that we launched last month that we created some very special features that we thought, or most clients thought, couldn't be done in Shopify. So we're also really excited about this brand because it really touches on the same values that we have at Meraki Vision, which is doing humanitarian projects, donations, and different things like that. So Inspire and Brew is selling coffee, a brand that they created themselves, very high quality coffee. And the main selling point of this brand is that 50% of their profit goes to a cause. And the difference here is that it's not just any cause like one foundation, but rather the cause that you as a shopper want to do. Now, if you've ever worked or looked at donation apps on Shopify, you will find that most of them, or all of them actually, have a very set list, right? So they may give you a list, or they may give your shoppers a list to choose from, but it's a list that is inside of their database, right? And of course, we could build our own database. But the thing that makes this unique especially is that they wanted to have people register their own cause. That means that if I have a foundation that I support, I can go in and register it. And then 50% of the profits of my purchase, so let's say I buy 2 bags of coffee, will go to that cause. So very interesting, basically business model here. The design is very unique. It has certain elements that really go beyond just like the regular template of Shopify stores that you see. You can see here elements like these where it's changing. This also just makes the brand look more fun and cool. While some may think, well, it's just design, it does really make an impact on how people view your brand and how much they believe in everything, right? So if we go here, we can see there is always going to be a list of existing causes that you can choose from. So I can browse, different causes if I'm interested in pets and animals and I want to select that one. So you can press it here, choose your charity, and then it gets saved for when you make the purchase. But if I want to go in and register my own, right? Let's say I work with this I go here and I register it. So now we're notified that my charity has been registered. This is connected with a middleware that goes into a Google Sheet and automatically saves all of these. What they do at Inspire and Brew is later look up the site, make sure it's a legitimate charity, they do their investigation, and then if everything passes, then that donation gets linked up, or that order gets linked up with that charity. And then they go and transfer the money over to that charity. So if now we go here and I go in and choose add this one to cart. When I go here, you can see that the charity that I previously registered has been saved on this page, and then I can check out, and this reaches them via the order. Another great thing that we created here is they really want, the push to subscribe. Everyone, of course, would love subscription orders because it's ongoing revenue that you don't have to keep getting new orders. So we created this little wizard here where we can go through and say, okay, who am I buying for? Well, I'm buying for myself. Then I get taken down here to the different options. So it's more interactive than, just having the subscription on the product page. It feels like I'm personalizing my order. Whole bean coffee, organic, I want 2 bags. How often? Every 2 weeks, and bam, there's my personalized order, continue to checkout, and my subscription is ready. So it's a way to give shoppers a different way to purchase. So if you guys are struggling with something similar on your Shopify store or would like some consultation, anything to do with that, please feel free to check out our website, check out some of our case studies or testimonials, and of course, click to get a free consultation, and I'd be happy to go over your specific problem with you.